NUCCA is a system of adjusting the first vertebra, which ultimately balances the entire nervous system so that your body can function and heal itself.
NUCCA is about correcting the atlas so people's problems get
Teaching school, I saw these kids, they were having headaches, they were having all these problems, they were taking Tylenol, and I was so frustrated by it. The kids were asking each other, do you have a Tylenol?
NUCCA is about living life optimally by having better brain-to-body communication.
And it frustrated me so much, I just wanted to help people in that
We're
way.
specializing in the brainstem.
Specializing in the
See
brainstem.
NUCCA as clearing the brainstem to within less than 3/4 of a degree of misalignment in the interest of balancing the whole spine from a single unit to maintain stability of the spine for long periods of time and give you a full body effect.
All right, well, NUCCA is basically about putting your head on straight.